welcome to Dave's Think Tank. Recently I was playing a game and was met with the most horrible noise imaginable. It was like, well, let me show you. It took me a while to track it down, but this is caused by having one of the initial... I don't get no respect. It took me a while to track it down, but this is caused by having one of the initial game settings set improperly. You can either set the game to play a variety of sounds or just chimes. So the way you fix that, you come into the self-test settings. You have to go through all the settings. All the tests. Okay, now we get to the settings. So I have an extra ball at 600,000, an extra ball at 1,200,000, an extra ball at 2,800,000, which I've never gotten to. Here's my high score, 2,370,720. They've got a whole bunch of accounting settings. We go through all the accounting settings. 5 through 15. 16 is set to 2. 17 is set to 2. 18 is set to 0. It should be 3. There we go, 18 is 3. 19 is also 0. It should be 3. The disturbing thing here to me is, since the setting's available, there must be somebody somewhere who wants that noise. Anyway, let's play a game the way it's supposed to sound. I try not to take that personally.